Hello everyone, welcome again to GISE Pathshala. So friends, today we are going to start our exercise number 3.1. So in exercise 3.1, total two questions are there, only two questions are there. So first question is that, how will you describe the position of table lamp on your study table to another person? So in our study table, one table lamp is there, and if you want to describe the position of the table lamp, so how can we describe the position of this given lamp? So let me see friends. So here first of all I draw one table. So it is our table, and here the table lamp is there. So it is the dot is the table lamp. Now friends, we want to describe the position of this given table lamp. So friends, let me give the name of the sides. So this one is x, this is x dash, this side is y, and this side is y dash. So I give the name to all four sides, x, x dash, y dash. So now friends, we can measure the distance between this table lamp and this x inch. So if we measure this, so it is 10 centimeter, and if we measure this distance, so this distance is 7 centimeter. Okay, so we got the position of the table lamp. So friends, we can say that the table lamp is 10 centimeter away from the x edge and 7 centimeter from y edge. Now friends, this is our x axis and this is our y axis. So as we learned in the previous video, abscissa and ordinate. So we can say that friends, x, so we on x, distance of x is equal to 7 centimeter. Yes. So we can first we have to write the abscissa and another coordinate. So second one, and the y is the 10 centimeter. So the position of the table lamp is 7, 10. 7 x axis and 10 on y axis. So this way we can find out the position of any object on the given plan, given table, anything. Okay friends. Now let me see question number 2. Friends, in question number 2, one street plan is given. So friends, when you buy a new house, or if your father is purchasing a new plot, so the map of the plot or map of the society is there. So in this society, main road and the sub roads are there, the different blocks are there, these all are located on the map. So this type of map is given, but not map is given, only instruction is given. Map we have to draw on the board. So street plan, a city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. That two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. Total two roads are there. So let me draw two roads. So north-south direction, east-west direction, and they met at each other at the center of the city. So it is the center of the city. Now friends, what is given the question? In the question it is given that all the other streets is on the parallel of these roads at the 200 meter apart. There are 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meter. Draw the model of the city of your notebook. Represent this road street by the single line. Total 5 streets are there. 5 streets are in north-south direction and 5 streets are in west-east direction. And each street at the distance of 200 meter. So we have to draw not 200 meter. We can't draw the 200 meter in a notebook or on the board. So we have to take a scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meters. So let me see friends. Two, 3, 4, 5. Okay, street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4 and street 5. Total 5 streets, and distance between all is equal to 200 meter, 200 meter. Now same this 5 street in NS direction. S1, S2, S3, S4 and S5, and these all also on 200 meter distance. 200 meter. Okay, now our street plan is ready. Now there are many cross street in your model. A particular cross street is made by the two street, one running in NS direction and another in east-west direction. So we have in the cross means हम जिसको हमारी लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं चौक. चौक कहाँ पड़ता है? जहाँ पे दो रोड एक दूसरे को मिलते हैं. सो इट इज हम क्या बोलते हैं उसको चौक. यहाँ पे चौक है. सो यहाँ पे यहाँ पे there are so many cross roads are there. They are meeting each other. Okay. So friends, question is this: each cross street is referred to following manners. If second street running in NS direction, second street in NS direction and second street means this one. Okay, NS direction, second street. So this one is NS direction, second street, and second street running in NS direction and fifth street in west east direction. Fifth street of west east. West is fifth street. So this one. Okay. So question is this: meet at some crossing. There will be call this cross street 2-5 using the convention you have to find. So when these two streets are meeting, this is called this one here. Okay. So here on x-axis it is a 1 and 2. So epsica is 2 and ordinate is 5 because on y direction there is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can represent this chalk as a 2 and 5. Okay. Now the two questions are there. How many cross street can be referred to as a 4-3? So we have to mention the 4-3 street. On x-axis 4 means here, and on y-axis 3 here. So both are meeting at here. So we can 4-3. So how many 4-3 are there? Only one. Okay, in this graph 4-3, how many 4-3 are there? This type of question is given. How many cross street can be referred to as 4-3? So only one. Now how many cross street can be referred to 3-4? So 3 and 4. So on x-axis 3 and 4 on y-axis. So both are meeting over here. So we can say it is a 3 and 4. So friends, this way we can locate the different points on the graph with the help of Cartesian system. Okay, so friends, here we finished our exercise number 3.1. So friends, complete these two questions in your notebook. Do not write the questions, write down the answers directly and draw this both picture, the table picture and this one. Also draw this plan, so street plan in your notebook and send me the photographs. So here we finished our exercise 3.1. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.